Hello and welcome to my channel. Today's video we will be doing this little heart applique. It is approximately 1 inch square. This video is for the heart only. So if you've come here looking to do the whole bear, I will put the link down in the description, and if you click see more under the video, that should get you there. Or you can click the little round photo above my name and that will take you to my channel, and you can either click videos or playlists and it will be in the amigurumi playlist. Okay, grab your yarn and let's get started. For this heart I'll be using a number 4 yarn and a 3.75 millimeter hook. Okay, I like to begin by folding my yarn over, making a knot with a loop on the end as if you were going to make a chain. But this is the perfect time to use a slip knot or any other way you like to start. Okay, so you're going to insert your hook, grab your yarn, pull up, and you're going to chain 2. 1, 2. Now you're going to do 3 double crochets into the loop, yarn over, into the loop, grab your yarn, pull up and through. You're going to have 3 loops on your hook. Grab your yarn and go through the first 2 loops. Grab your yarn again and go through the last 2 loops. And you need 3 of those, so that was 1. This will be 2. And 3. Then you're going to do 3 half double crochets, so yarn over into your loop, grab your yarn, pull up and through. You have your 3 loops on your hook, grab your yarn, and you're going to go through all 3 loops, and that was 1 of 3. So now we'll do 2 half double crochets and 3 half double crochets. Now you're going to chain 1. You're going to do 1 double crochet, you're going to chain 1, and then you're just going to do what you did on this side in reverse. So you're going to do 3 half double crochets, 1, 2, and 3, and then you're going to do 3 double crochets, 1, 2, and 3. Then you're going to chain 2, 1, 2, and then you're just going to slip stitch down in that same loop. And then you're going to tie that off. So pull through, leave yourself a bit of a tail for sewing. And if you need to, pull on your tail that you crocheted over to close up that hole a little bit. And there you go. Whoops. Thanks for watching. I hope I see you in another one of my videos. I hope you all have a great day and happy crocheting.